Okay, the second job is a super easy job, and that is your strap locks or strap buttons. I use strap locks with my strap because I play standing up quite a bit and you don't want it falling off. The thing is with strap locks, my strap never comes off, so I never notice if these are getting loose or not, and you don't want to find out when you're standing up in the middle of a riff and your guitar falls right on the floor. So it's super easy to fix, so we'll look at both of these here. We'll just take a screwdriver and we're going to tighten them both up. So let's go ahead. Same as with the input, we don't want to go too tight on this because it will strip that hole out. So just nice and good and snug. There's that one. Let's move over to this one. And see, that one took a little bit too. So it was about 6 months worth of time there where this stuff started getting loose. So now our strap buttons are good and tight, so that takes care of the second job.